first thing we'll be doing is to sew the straps, and after sewing it you trim it and then you turn it inside out, iron it, and then it's ready for your dress. I have already turned one straps, it's remaining the other one. I'm going to use my loop turner to turn the other one, and I'm going to show you how. Now you push in your loop turner to the other side, and then there's something like a hook. You hook it onto the straps, then you try to bring it out, like drag it out gently. Sometimes it goes really well and with no issue. Why some other time, well, it doesn't. We are going with an adjustable straps. The main one will be like 18 to 19 inches, while the other one will be 2 inches long. That is, the 2 inches long will be going to the back, while the main one will be going to the front. So like that. Now for the straps, we'll be needing something called the slide and the ring. I had to go look it up to know what it's called. Insert your long straps into the slide and then sew it up like I will be showing you in the video. I didn't want the rough edges to show when I stop stitch, so I had to bend it in before sewing on it. Now insert the ring into the long straps, push it up to the middle, and then insert the straps from the other end into the slide, like I'll be showing you in the video. There you go. You're doing an amazing job. You're doing wonderfully well. Well done. Go, little rock star. You remember that 2 inches straps we put aside? We are going to insert it into the ring, and that's the part that goes in the back of your dress or whatever you're making. You're going to insert your straps into your upper bodice, and then you're going to like sew it all up. Just cross check to make sure that the strap is facing the right side. You do not want to lose it again. Trust me. Going to the back, we are going to sew in our darts on both sides. Our other straps will go where the dart is, and then we'll cover it up with a lining or a facing. I think that's what it's called. I totally forgot to actually cut it out from my fabric, and I had to just improvise and look for something else to use. After sewing the facing, you are going to top stitch. You're actually going to notch and top stitch on the facing, so your clothes, it doesn't pop out whenever you wear it. It's all relaxed. After this, we're going to focus on the down part of our dress. Now we're going to focus on the back, which, if you remember, has a dart. So we're going to sew in the darts and then attach it to the basic bodice, like the top part of your dress. The skirt part of the front does not have any dart, so I'm just ironing it, so I'll connect it to the upper part of our dress. Sew in 0.5 inches and also do the same for the back. So I've joined the top part to the down part. I've done the same for the back and the other side. So now I'm going to join the sides. Try to notch your hip point so you won't be like me looking for my hip points, because so always notch your hip points. Now we'll be taking your bust, your waist, and your hip measurements. This time your bust measurement divided by 2, your waist measurement divided by 2, and also your hip measurement divided by 2. Make sure you take the accurate measurement so it's just too tight and it's not too loose. Now you're going to sew on both sides, and you're going to leave like an opening on the down area to accommodate the slits, which I totally forgot I had to do. Now we're going to insert the zipper. Remember the 1-inch allowance we kept for the zipper allowance. We are going to insert the zipper, and then you're done. Well, not totally, but almost done. It's quite late right now, and I just want to finish this up, so I'll continue with other things tomorrow. So what I did for this zipper allowance is I added paper stay just to make it firm, so it doesn't because the thing is, this place is a bit stretchy. I don't want the fact that it will not be wavy at the back zipper. It's always very annoying and I hate it. So for that, I just put stay, paper stay at the zipper allowance before I sew in my zip. Okay, so I checked the picture again and I realized that there was a slit on the side, on the two sides. So I'm going to leave an opening of 7 inches. You don't really have to put slit, though. You don't really have to put slit. You can make it fitted. You can make it Maybe you can put slit in front or on the side, anywhere you like. So I'll be putting the slit here, and then I'll iron it. Then I'll go ahead to finish the down parts of my I'll go ahead and finish the down part of my gown, and I'll come back to show you how it looks. Well, I'll be wearing it so you see how it looks on me. Yay! We've come to the end of the video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys.